I've worked on a variety of things over the past 6 years with Michelle. The first being a series of projects relating to bridges across the M6 in Preston. These were bridges built out of what we call plastic or advanced composite materials. These the same sort of thing golf clubs and spaceships and Formula 1 cars are made out of. They're proper bridges, they're meant for full road traffic, but they're just using new materials, introducing innovation into the construction industry. These were designed down in Surrey where I worked at the time, and then built on site, and I supervised the construction. Large concrete abutments and big steel spans, and then the decking on top. So that was a good few months worth of work.
Okay, great.
Subsequent projects, more recently, I ran a job on the London Underground. It was the upgrade of all the advertising on the Underground system, so new projectors, new screens, all the civil engineering relating to putting digital advertising out and about for consumers to have a look at while they're travelling. The digital kit has gone to nearly 70 stations. There's 250 stations, and it was 31,000 advertising sites in total. I think the whole project was worth £125 million.
Okay. And what were some of the more challenging aspects of that project?
Challenging in terms of an organisational sense, because the network the tube has to run for 18, 19 hours a day, and it has to be cleaned. So to do any work down on the tube, you only get 3 hours a night. So you have to make any design you do as simple as possible. Otherwise, it just won't get done, and the trains won't run in the morning. So it's simplifying things, making things lighter, making things easier to understand when you're on site. So there's no hiccups. It's built quickly and smoothly, and no traces left until the next day. Well, generally I'd say you need to be as dynamic and as flexible as possible. Demonstrate this at every opportunity and accept every opportunity that's passed your way, and it will lead you to the next one and the next one and the next one. Really, it's an open field, there's lots of money being spent, so it's ours to take control of.
Okay. So when you say accept every opportunity, are you talking about perhaps projects that are, you know, far away, or perhaps might not suit you, you know, if you looked at it?
Yes. I'd say that, you know, one will come up, it'll be interesting, it'll be in the wrong location, or it won't be as interesting, but it'll be in the right location. So you need to carefully plan the opportunities you do take, but accept as many as possible.
Okay. And if you were to be recruiting a graduate to join your team, what kinds of things would you be looking for?
I'd be looking for someone, as I say, who's dynamic and flexible, but also who would commit to stay with the company for a long time, and train up and become a good civil engineer or manager or project manager. And also it's important to be analytical, to be able to appraise situations and apply your engineering knowledge so you understand materials and science to the new situations you encounter, because nothing is the same in one project as it is in the last.